My name is Shreya Chahar. I study in class 3. I am 8 years old. My school name is KV Command Alipur, Kolkata. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Sryansha. I study in class 3C. My school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Bareilly. My favorite subject is math. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Sryansha. I am 8 years old. I am from Odisha. My father's name is Jagvandu Shetty. My mother's name is Talina. I like red color. Thank you.